Hey, I'm going to show you an easy way to make cone stand for your Santa using magazine pages. What I have here is magazine cover page, which is slightly stiffer, and I like that. Or you can use simply magazine pages. You can also double it up, 2 pages or even 3 pages. You can also use old calendar pages. Any paper that is slightly thicker than your typing paper would work. You're also going to need a pair of scissors and some Scotch tape. So here we go. The page here is about 8 inches by 11 inches. Simply roll it up into a slender cone shape. Okay. There's my cone shape right here. And next thing I'm going to do is slide the Santa over it. Okay. And leave a little gap at the top so that the tip of the hat can flop over. And then widen up the base so the Santa fits the cone well. Okay. And here's my Santa cone. And the next step is just simply trim the bottom, and so I'm going to slide it out a little bit and kind of follow the contour, eyeball and follow the contour of the base of the Santa into slight curve. Okay, and here it is. And if it doesn't stand straight, you can also trim the edges a little bit. As you can see right here, there's my Santa, and I'm going to show you it stands up quite nicely. If it doesn't stand up nicely, all you have to do is just pull it out a little bit and trim the bottom. Okay, and next thing I'm going to do is simply tape the edges together. You can also skip this step if you don't want to do that. And I just want to make it slightly more permanent. And here is my Santa cone stand. And it's ready to be displayed.